Today, we're talking about an awesome supermoto that's just been launched. The Suzuki DR-Z4SM Crush. This bike has a super unique look that's definitely going to turn heads. Stick around to the end to find out all the details. Suzuki recently unveiled the Crush variant for the DR-Z4SM model at the Moto-Austria in Wels event. If you thought this was about engine upgrades or performance changes, think again. The Crush variant focuses mainly on the bike's appearance. The bike now features brand new graphic stickers, giving it an aggressive and stylish look. The design combines elements of graffiti, rugged textures, and splashes of color, making this bike look like an urban street art masterpiece ready to tackle the streets. With a white base color and bold graphics, the DR-Z4SM Crush gives off a dynamic and energetic vibe. Wondering how much this awesome design costs? You can opt for the Crush sticker kit when purchasing the bike, priced around €750. The best part is that this Crush variant is not limited edition, so you can get it whenever you buy the DR-Z4SM. Now, let's dive into the specs of the Suzuki DR-Z4SM. This supermoto is built to deliver maximum performance on various terrains. It's powered by a 400 cubic centimeter single-cylinder engine, offering optimal power, and features a 5-speed transmission for smooth and easy control. The bike also boasts a lightweight chassis and adjustable front and rear suspension, ensuring a comfortable ride both on the streets and off-road. In terms of handling, the DR-Z4SM comes equipped with wide supermoto tires, ensuring excellent stability through corners and solid traction on both urban streets and dirt paths. Whether you're carving through the city or tackling a dirt trail, this bike is designed for versatility and performance. Additionally, the fuel tank is built to hold 10 liters, offering decent range for urban commutes or longer rides on more varied terrain. The braking system features high-performance disc brakes, ensuring quick and reliable stopping power even in challenging conditions. The bike's ergonomics are also designed to offer maximum comfort for long rides, with a seat that is both supportive and well-positioned for city and off-road maneuverability. And that's a quick rundown of the Suzuki DR-Z4SM Crush. If you're a fan of bold designs and a powerful ride, this might just be the perfect choice for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss out on more awesome videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Notification bell so you can stay updated with the latest motorbike content. See you next time!